Looking back to the 1970s, there are people whose numbers are already growing, that still have a fondness in their hearts for the sultans of the 70s, especially now that they have achieved their antique status. Of the hundreds of thousands of mid-sized personal luxury cars that were built, Chevrolet's 1976 Monte Carlo reigned supreme. In fact, Monte Carlo sales hit an all-time record with 353,272 units in 1976 that included 161,902 Landau coupes. This 1976 Monte Carlo Landau coupe was purchased by the original local owner on August 12, 1976, from Fay Auto Sales in Amory, Wisconsin. The retired owner kept the car garaged for the winters and flew south. During the summer the car was used sparingly. He got the bug to downsize and buy a new car, but kept the Monte Carlo. I was fortunate enough to purchase the car on July 12, 1983. Because of its pristine condition, I immediately added it to my collection as a prized piece of originality. Even at that time, factory original cars of this quality were scarce. I knew what I had and how lucky I was to have it. Notice the frame stencil on the passenger side of the vehicle. Originality is what you're getting with this car. Look at the amount of tread remaining on the original tires. The underside of the car also shows the superb condition. This car looks like it has received a body off the frame rotisserie restoration, but it hasn't. It's better than that. This is all factory untouched original. This is a totally original, unrestored, low-mileage showstopper. It has 100% original paint from the factory. Nothing has ever been touched up or spotted in. It still retains original hoses, belts, wires, and spark plugs. It's nicely equipped with factory air conditioning. There are even factory chalk marks on the valve covers. Our feature car has the 145 horsepower 352 barrel V8 bolted to the frame. A mid-size luxury car like this doesn't need any extra horses. The interior features a molded full foam front bench seat with beautifully tailored knit cloth upholstery, deep cut pile carpeting, and color-keyed instrument panel and steering wheel. Although the car is not loaded with options, it does have tilt steering wheel, color-keyed floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, auxiliary lighting, and more. The bottom of the doors shows no seam separation. The weather strip is in excellent condition. There is no rust around the opera windows. The top is not faded or cracked. There are no split seams or lifting of the vinyl from the metal. And definitely no rust bubbles under the vinyl. These are the turbine wheels that came with the Landau package. The tires are the original General Dual Steel 2 GR70-15 radials that came with the car, including the Air from 1976. The excellent condition of the original tires attest to the low miles on the car.